Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful flower motif. It is titled as Block Stitch Flower Motif and I have made the 6-sided version of it. Usually you can make the 4-sided one, and this uses the block stitches in the center here and the second round. That is why it is titled as Block Stitch Flower Motif. This is one of the patterns under the series Granny Squares. Since it is made in the round, it is classified under that. Without much delay, let me go into the video. Before that, I have used 1, 2, 3 and 4 colors for this motif. Okay, let us go into the video immediately. With color A, either chain 6 or make a magic circle. I'm going to chain 6. Slip stitch to the first chain and make a circle. Either chain 3 and begin, or directly make a double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So continue chain 2 double crochet 7 more times. I shall make the required number of stitches and get back to you. I have repeated. Totally we have 8 DCs and 8 chain 2 spaces. If we add on and if you want to make it into a hexagon, we need to have 2 more. So let us have 2 more. So I want to make an hexagon pattern out of it. So instead of 8, we need to have 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. If we have 10, it will become a pentagon. 1 minute. So check if you have 12 DCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Chain 2, slip stitch to the first stitch, that is the third chain of the chain 3 if you have done chain 3, otherwise on top of the first DC that you have made, and fasten off. So I'll slip stitch and fasten off. Having chain 2, slip stitch and fasten off. With color B, slip stitch and join in any one of the chain 2 spaces, and either chain 3 and begin. So let me chain 3 and then place a double crochet in the same space. Now we have to work a block stitch over this double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. So first 4 times you pull up, and the 5th time also you need to pull up, so that you have 11 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull up. So now I have 3, 6, 9, yarn over, pull up. So I have 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. So yarn over, pull through 10 loops on the hook, 10 loops, first 10 loops, and then insert the hook again in the same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, chain 1, chain 2, and then yarn over, pull through all 3 of them. So the first block stitch is made. To make this block stitch in the second chain 2 space, first make a double crochet, place 1 more double crochet, and you're going to work the block stitch on this double crochet. So I will demonstrate once more. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop. 5 times you have to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And yarn over, pull through 10 loops on the hook. First 10 loops. So you'll have 2 loops left on the hook. Insert the hook in the same space, pick up the yarn, make 2 chains, and pull through all 3 of them. So the second block stitch is made. So place 1 block stitch in each of the chain 2 spaces. I shall meet you when I come to the end of this round here. Come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch and join to the third chain and fasten off. Third chain of the first chain 3 we did. secure it and fasten it off. So this will be hidden, so need not worry the way we do the slip stitch. So I shall be back for round 3. Now take the third color and slip stitch and join between any two DCs. One is the conventional DC, the other is a DC made with 2 chains. So in between that, slip stitch and join, make a single crochet, chain 5, single crochet between the next two DCs, chain 5, single crochet in between the next two DCs. So continue the stitch pattern all around this particular round. I shall meet you at the end of this round here. I have come to the end of this round here. So I have made last chain 5, slip stitch and join to the first single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet here, chain 4, single crochet in the third chain of the next chain 5. So 1 2 single crochet into the chain, not under the chain space, chain 4, single crochet on the next single crochet, chain 8, skip this chain 5 space and single crochet on the next single crochet, chain 4, single crochet in the third chain of the next chain 5. This is the stitch repeat for this particular round. So we are doing hexagon, hence we will be having 6 such corners. So continue with the stitch pattern. I shall meet you at the beginning of this round. We've come to the end of this round here. So I am ending with chain 8 and slip stitch to the very first single crochet we did here. And then we have to slip stitch to the middle of the next chain space, that is chain 4 space. So you can chain 3, place a double crochet in the same chain space, chain 4 space. So we have made 6 corners. Corners are 8 DC. We have skipped this and placed a single crochet, and here 4 chains, single crochet the third chain, 4 chains. So you'll have 2 4 chains between 2 corners of 8 chains. Okay, so now chain 2, 2 doubles in the next chain space, 1 minute. We have come to the corner here. So before going into the corner, chain 2, work 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the corner. Three doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. Only in the corner the 3 doubles are separated by 3 chains. In all other places we place 2 doubles under the chain 4. All are separated by 2 chains. So this is the pattern, stitch repeat we need to continue. Chain 2, 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles, chain 2, 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles in the corner. Again chain 2, 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles, and continue till the end of this particular round. I shall meet you where I began my stitches. We have come to this end of the round here. Now I have chained last 2 chains, slip stitch and join to the very first stitch here. That is the third chain of the 3 chains that we made. Slip stitch to the next, again slip stitch to the next chain, and place 2 double crochets here and under this chain 2 space, chain 2, 2 double crochets under the next chain 2 space. Now we have come to the corner, chain 2, and under chain 3 space make 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets. Five double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets, all under this corner chain 3 space. So you can push it, and 2 more to go. So the first corner is made. Again chain 2, under the next chain 2 space 2 double crochets, 2 doubles. So on the sides, under every chain 2 space you have 2 doubles, all separated by 2 chains, and in the corner, when you go to the corner, chain 2, go to the corner, 5 double crochets, chain 3, 5 double crochets, chain 2, again come to next chain 2 space and make 2 doubles. So continue this stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you at the point where I began this round. I've come to the end of this round here. Last chain 2 I have made, and slip stitch and join to the very first third chain of the first 3 chains and fasten off. So it's dicey to pick up the loop from here. From behind I need to pick it up. Yeah. And pull this from front to back and fasten off. Pick up the working yarn from here and tighten it and cut it. So that's done. And now, so having completed this round, I'm going to give a single crochet and a slip stitch row with a color that is a little complementary with this, that goes with this, that is in the color range of greens. Okay, I'm taking another shade of green. Just slip stitch and join to any stitch. Secure it and make a single crochet in the very first stitch where you are joined. One single crochet in the next DC here. So you're going to place one single crochet on each of the DCs, and under chain 2 space you're going to place only one single crochet. Then one single crochet in each of the DCs, doubles. And when you come to the corner, you're going to work 3 singles in the corner. So that is how this round goes. One single in chain 2 space. One single on every doubles that we made in the last round. 3 singles in the corners. So continue your stitches all around. I shall also continue, complete and get back to you. Come to the end of the round here. Slip stitch and join, slip stitch from behind. Pull this and pick up the working yarn and tighten it. Now we are going to make slip stitch round in every back loop of the previous single crochet. So to begin with, you can either start with here itself, slip stitch, the very first stitch, slip stitch in the second, continue the slip stitch all around, and it's going to give you a beautiful edging. Okay, I'll complete the slip stitch and get back to you. we've come to the end of this slip stitch round. Now I'm going to join it from behind. So I'm going to pull it up a little bit and then insert my hook from my very first slip stitch that I made. Here this will be little tight, doesn't matter. Try to insert the hook. It won't be that tight that we cannot insert. Yes, sorry, it has gone behind. Simple thing would be take a smaller hook. This will get inserted under both the loops very quickly. You need to be careful not to split the yarn and pull it out. So there you go, and you can fasten it off. I fasten it this way. I take the whole thing, and here we go. So here is our block stitch hexagon granny square. It comes under the, it is classified under granny square. You can make a square motif, you can make a pentagon motif, you can make a octagon motif. All depends on the number of DCs that you take in the center and work. I have taken 12 and I have made it into an hexagon. If you take 8, it will become a square. If you take 10, it will become a pentagon. So if you take 16, it will become an octagon, so on and so forth. Here we go. This is the beautiful block stitch pattern. Hope you enjoyed this video, and this pattern can be used in any project. You can make several such pieces and combine them together to make your totes and whatnot. All sorts of projects you can make with this, decorative pieces, etc. And if you work with very thin yarns, you can make small appliques too with this pattern. There you need not repeat all this edgings. You can stop somewhere in between and complete it as per the size required. Okay, please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. And please do like and share our videos too so that it reaches the maximum number of people. Thank you, friends. Once again, I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.